This is going to be strike 3, 3 jersey break number 17. And let's go ahead and screen share everybody in the break. John D to top, Sean M. You're at the bottom of the copy. And we're going to paste this into random.org. As always, here comes a random 7 times. Let's do it. There's 1. Let's go ahead and make that number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, there it is. Jason J, you're at the top. Dave S, you're at the bottom of the copy. Come on now. We're going to copy, and we're going to paste this into our Strike 3 jersey spreadsheet. Let me pull this up here for you. There it is right there. Perfect. And let's go ahead and make this real big as we read the names and players off here to you. Jason J, you got Craig and Teo. Sean M, you got Green and Foreman. Walter K, Julio Jones, Sean Lee. Ryan F, you got Ditka and Ray Guy. Stan G, you got Dermonti Dawson, Bob Lilly. Stephanie W, Singletary and Hampton. Alex G, you got Sayers and Otto. Rick H, you got Dickerson and Bell. Curtis M, you got Paul Hornick, Lynn Dawson, Veronica Theismann, and Rivers. John N, you got Westbrook and McCoy. John D, Fitzgerald and T.Y. Hilton. Rosendo, J.J. Watt, Rod Woodson. Ryan F, you got Frank Gore and Patrick Willis. John L, Dorsett and Foster. Jacob J, you got Rudy and Charlie Taylor. Dave S, Newsom and Allen. Michael B, you got Luke Kuechly and Nada right there. Rosendo, Vaughn Miller, Dick Butkus. Gina C, you got Shaq and Rocky Blyer. Curtis M, Bo Jackson. David K, RG3 and John Elway. Nicole L, Joe Flacco, and Dave S. You've got a Mike Tyson again. He had a glove last night. Dave S had a Mike Tyson glove last night, so maybe he can get the trunks out of here tonight. All right. Any trades on players, please do so now. Shaq's in here multiple times, buddy. Shaq is in here multiple times. There's not there. Yep. I am positive, sir. You also have Rocky Blyer, too, buddy. Old school, legendary guy, man. All right. Any trades on players? Any trades? All right. So Blyer's been offered for Foster right there. John L. Is Elway for trade? Rosendo, you want to talk to David K. right there. David K. owns Elway. All right, we have a deal maybe. Alex, what's the deal, buddy? What's the deal? Sayers for Foster, I believe. You and John L. Yeah, okay, cool. Got it. All right, so John L. now has Sayers. Or wait a minute. Let me correct that. Yeah, John, you now have Sayers. Okay. John L. now has Sayers. And Alex now has Foster. Got it. All right, cool. There we go. All right. Any more trades? Any more trades? All right, let's get rolling here. Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Let's see, rip it twice. Let's go. All right, good luck, everybody, in the break. All right, we'll do anthology next. No problem. Here's box number 1. All right. Here we go. Let's see who is in the first one. Let's see who is in the first one. Who's this going to be? T.Y. Hilton. Oh, yeah, good one. T.Y. Hilton. John D. That's coming to you right there. Check that out. There's your JSA right there. T.Y. Hilton. All right, going to John D. John D, very nice. John D got your T.Y. Hilton auto jersey. All right, so we're starting off the break great. All right. Next up is jersey number 2. Right there, jersey number 2. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Here is jersey number 2. Ooh, golden ticket in there. All right. We'll do that at the end of the break. What do we get here? We get a Ray Guy, I believe. Yes, sir. Ray Guy. Right there. Check that out. Ray Guy. Right there. Number 8, Ray Guy. Ryan F. That's coming to you, man. Ryan F. Ryan F. Very nice. Ryan F. coming to you, man. You're welcome, sir. You'll see in a minute, buddy. You'll see in a minute what the golden ticket is. All right, next up. This is, yep, chance to win an Xbox One, buddy. Jersey number 3. All right, here we go. And they packed that one tight. Good Lord. The old crypto blade. All right, good luck. Here we go for jersey number 3. It is gonna be, who is this? Who is this? I believe it's a Lynn Dawson right here. Lynn Dawson jersey. There it is right there. Lynn Dawson. Check that out. Very nice. Curtis M. That is coming out to you, buddy. Curtis M. Got you a nice Lynn Dawson jersey. All right. Curtis M. Very nice. All right. And what is next? Gotta set this ticket up here real quick. All right, this is ticket number 7 right here. Ticket number 7. About to set up real quick. All right. Ticket number 7. Absolutely, it's a tax write-off, man. Absolutely. A lot of people in here we send spreadsheets to at the end of the year. Yep. All right, here's how it's going to work. The person number one spot after 7, you'll get a chance in an entry to win an Xbox One. Here we go. Good luck. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dave S. Dave S. right there at the top. Dave S. You are the winner of ticket number 7. Dave S. right there. You are the winner of ticket number 7 for a chance to win an Xbox One. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, Dave. Let's save that for YouTube. That was 3 jersey break number 17 in the books.